This brand is made by Electrolux and is available online in North America, but their guarantee is only minimal when compared to the other brands. The FHPC102AC1 models are cool-only units with a 3-speed fan and auto-swing louvers for good air circulation throughout the room. They have sleep and dry modes as well as a built-in air ionizer to improve the room's air quality and are quiet with a noise rating of 49 decibels, which is roughly equivalent to the hum from a refrigerator. The FHPW122AC1 models are for cooling only, while the FHPH142AC1 models are heat pumps for year-round comfort. They have built-in Wi-Fi and voice command support with a higher 7.2 EER efficiency rating. The units use a single hose, which means that conditioned air from the room is constantly being exhausted to the outside and has to be replaced and conditioned, which results in lower overall efficiency. Shop for all of your HVAC needs in our Amazon store.